Do you dread planning a trip and traveling more than looking forward to the destination? Do you stress about every component of your trip, from packing to acquiring the correct documents? Soon the days of just surviving your travels will be a distant memory. With the right preparation, including creating a checklist and packing the essentials, you can say goodbye to travel anxiety and hello to a more enjoyable adventure. In this video, we'll show you how to master the art of stress-free travel, from researching your destination to the ultimate packing checklist and tips for a seamless return home. Research your destination. When planning your trip, researching your destination is key to taking advantage of your time there. To get started, we recommend checking out destination-specific travel blogs and to learn about the local culture, food, accommodations, things to do. And be sure to check for common tourist scams with a Google search like tourist scam. Additionally, checking the weather forecast before packing is also a good idea. To fully optimize your experience, research the best time of year to visit your destination. Pre-plan your outfits for your entire trip. Planning your outfits in advance is essential to bringing what you need on your trip. This will help streamline your wardrobe and ensure you don't overpack. It will also help you look better during your trip since you'll have planned all the outfits. Plenty of minimalist travel packing lists are available online if you need inspiration. To make packing and dressing easier during your trip, plan your outfits in advance. This will help you streamline your wardrobe and avoid overpacking. It also ensures you look and feel your best during your trip, which is important for all those photos you plan to take. There are many minimalist travel packing lists available online for inspiration and guidance. Bundle your outfits. By bundling your outfits together, you can save time and space while still looking great on vacation. Not only does rolling clothes prevent wrinkles, but it also makes it easier to identify items in the morning. Planning ahead can help ensure you only bring what you need and will wear during your trip. Additionally, by organizing everything into bundles, you won't have to worry about rummaging through your suitcase to find something suitable to wear daily. Finally, if traveling with a companion on an international flight, it's a good idea to pack an extra change of clothes in each other's suitcases in case the airline loses one. During your trip, turn your dirty clothes inside out. This way, you can always tell what's clean and dirty. Dress for your flight. Having a designated airplane outfit can be a great way to save time and stress on the day of your flight. When choosing an outfit, comfort should be your top priority. Leggings, a lightweight hooded sweatshirt, and a coat, if necessary, are all great options for an airplane outfit. Layer up for your flight. Dressing in layers is a great way to stay comfortable at the airport and on your flight. Airports and airplanes can be either extremely cold or hot, so wearing layers will help you adjust to changing temperatures. Wearing bulky clothing like coats and sweaters on a plane is an easy way to save space and weight in luggage. Wearing these items instead of packing them can help make traveling more efficient. Have a toiletry go bag. A toiletry go bag is essential to any traveler's packing list. It can save time and money when preparing for trips. A toiletry go bag should contain travel-sized products such as toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorant, and eye drops. This way, you don't have to worry about buying full-sized products that will take up too much space in your luggage or backpack. You can also bring extra travel-sized toiletries from hotels for use with carry-on luggage. These items are TSA approved, so you won't have to worry about the agent confiscating them at the airport. It's best to pack your toiletries the night before you leave and then use that one bag exclusively the following day. If there is anything you forgot to put in your toiletries bag the night before, you will have time to do so now. Get travel insurance. Travel insurance is essential to any trip, especially in the current climate. It can cover medical expenses, trip cancellations, and lost or stolen items. Insurance is crucial in case something goes wrong while you're away. Additionally, some travel insurance policies may also cover things like flight delays and missions. Travel documents copies. In an ever-increasing digital world, while you're traveling, it's generally nice to make copies of your important documents. Things such as your passport, visa, and other records such as your medication prescriptions and health insurance card. In case you lose the original or it gets stolen, you'll have a backup that you can keep in your suitcase in a secure place like a hotel room. Share your itinerary with friends and family. Before leaving for your international trip, let friends or family know about your travel plans. You can even email them a copy of the itinerary so that they have all the information they need. Additionally, checking in regularly with contacts while on the trip is essential so that they know you are safe and sound. Doing this lets you ensure everyone knows where you are and what you're up to during your travels. Budget extra cash. Extra cash in your travel budget can be a lifesaver when unexpected expenses arise. Whether it's souvenirs, meals at high-end restaurants, or activities with higher than expected costs, having some extra money set aside can help ensure a stress-free trip. Before planning your vacation, estimating total costs and creating a budget based on your preferred travel style is vital. Research destinations that fit your budget range and determine how much you are comfortable spending. Once you have an idea of the cost of the trip, adjust expenses accordingly and allocate a portion of your budget for unexpected expenses. Final tips. When you go internationally, bringing new music to listen to while you are there is a good idea. In the future, whenever you hear each soundtrack again, it will remind you of places you have been. Traveling in numbers is a great way to the world. It provides personal safety, companionship, and great travel photos. However, don't shy about suggesting separate daily activities when traveling with a friend or family member. Going by yourself can be fun because you can eat and go where you want when you want, and at your own pace. It also keeps you from getting sick of each other by the end of the trip. Don't just return to work as soon as you've returned from your vacation. Schedule some time off after your trip so that you may return, unpack, and continue your vacation mindset for a few more days. That way, returning to work won't feel quite as overwhelming. By following these essential travel tips, you can ensure that your next vacation is stress-free and enjoyable.